Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to warp a line in Photoshop. Step 1. Warp this single line or grid lines as you wish. Step 1. Press Ctrl T. First of all, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again, right click on your mouse, raster as layer. Then press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Right click on your mouse, click the warp, and this warp or anything. Anymore. Step 2. Go to edit, puppet warp. Okay, then click to the point, then click and drag it. Okay, another way to press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl. Okay, apply the same formula for this layer. Press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl. Okay, warp. Press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse, skew. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like.